Hello, a mixed week with conflicting signals from OPEC about their plans for production. Let's look at the details. A somewhat bearish start to the week was driven by the prospect of OPEC increasing production and a climbing US rig count. There have been reports that the US has lobbied Saudi Arabia and others to increase output, and meanwhile, in a more public response to high US pump prices, Donald Trump complained on Twitter about OPEC policy. There were further falls on Tuesday. There was a more bullish feel to Wednesday and Thursday, gains on both days reversing the falls of earlier in the week. There is a lack of clarity about the level of support amongst leading OPEC members to increase output, Iraq having stated its unwillingness to discuss this at the forthcoming meeting in Vienna. Brent crude closed last night at $76.88 per barrel, and that's up 20 cents on last Friday. Improving storage levels across Europe were offset on Monday by planned production outages and strong coal. The day ending with gains across most contracts, particularly the near curve. There was a reverse on Tuesday as prices responded to weak oil with losses across all contracts, although the near curve found some support from production outages and lower renewable inputs. Bearishness on the near curve continued into Wednesday, although further out prices were supported by the forecast timescale for the Groningen field to cease production being shortened. The rebound in oil pushed the market upwards on Thursday and all contracts showed gains at the close. Winter 18 closed last night at 62.45 pence per therm, and that's down 0.35 pence per therm on last Friday. The market was led upwards by gas on Monday, with gains in near-term prices most evident. As gas changed direction on Tuesday, so did electricity, with no support from the wider fuel complex, leading to losses across all contracts. Wednesday saw little movement in either direction, and most contracts closed near to flat day on day. Thursday reflected the more bullish feel in gas and oil, and most of the earlier losses were reversed. Winter 18 closed last night at £60.15 per megawatt hour, and that's unchanged from last Friday. You can download the full version of this report from our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.